Welcome to the installation video for Spectrum's SnapTite rail clip. We also offer a bolt-on type clip seen here. Here's what you may expect when ordering an assortment of solutions for your project, including WB6 junction boxes, WB100 junction box stands, SHBC crib heaters, and flat jacket cal rods with SnapTite clips. To install your flat jacket cal rods, you'll need a hammer and some SnapTite clips. It is recommended to use one clip in between every rail tie, approximately every 20 inches. Place the flat jacket on the rail behind any braces and use the hammer to tap the clip in place. To remove the clip, use a flathead screwdriver or similar tool to push down on the edge of the clip from the opposite side from where you installed it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Spectrum heaters.